this is another opportunity for you to make 100 Ghana cedis all by yourself. If you are someone who have been asking yourself, how can I make at least some money on daily basis aside what I'm doing on like previously or recently, this particular video is the best video that can help you, because whether you want to make it online or offline or whatever it is, that this particular video will be helpful to you. Now, before we continue this video, I would like you to know that this video is not for big men, people who are having blogs. In fact, do not use 100 cedis a day for anything. But for those of us who are just doing our things small, and we want to be earning some side income, our salary is like, let's say 2,000 cedis or 1,500 and all that, this video will be very helpful to you. Now, before we get started with how you can start earning some small money by yourself, first of all, let's dive into the benefits of what earning something by yourself, like earning 100 cedis, 50 cedis all by yourself. Recently, we've heard the news that Glovo will be checking out from Ghana. That's the company will be leaving Ghana to different countries to focus on where they are getting customers. This means a lot of people are not going to get job. Now, let's not just specify this to Glovo. Any company at all. If you are not the manager of that company, or you are not at the top level management, you don't know what is happening. So it means anything at all can happen. So if this company is closed down, the question is, how will you be surviving? How can you earn something? That's where you remember this video and say that, okay, Charlie, let me be making something small by myself. Even if it is 20 cedis a day, I'll be keeping it somewhere. That's where you see that this video becomes very, very important. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning something by yourself by the time you are through with this video. Now, for you guys to take this video seriously, one thing you must know is that I am just one of you guys, the low income earners that is pushing so hard to get out of this zone. And it's not all of you that have this knowledge that I have, honestly. So the knowledge I have, I'm just sharing it to help you guys to start something. Now, I came to Greater Accra region with just this bag, so I want you to know that we are all we are all in the same thing. I just brought this bag with a bed sheet. So if I'm doing this video, I'm just doing the videos to help most people that are just like me, that are earning small money, so that if you are taking some of these steps, you can be earning some extra income. Because some of us, God has opened our eyes to start learning about finance, watching videos, even though we don't have plenty money, but we are just learning from people so that we can start doing something for ourselves. That's why I'm taking these videos personal. So how can you start earning like 100 Ghana cedis a day on your own? So the first thing to do is to ask yourself, like, what do you have? What do you currently have? You have a smartphone. Is it a smartphone that you have? Is it a laptop that you have? Or what do you have? In my case, when I was very extremely down, I asked myself, what do I have? Okay, I was having bicycle. I was also having a smartphone. Only these two things that I have. So how can I put these two things into use? So one thing that came into my mind is to use the smartphone to start creating content on YouTube. So I started creating the content on YouTube little by little, and then it goes to some time, and then I was monetized. Then I started earning something small from YouTube. Then the second thing that also came into my mind is the bicycle. How can I also be using the bicycle to earn something small for myself? So I also started using the bicycle to go and hunt properties, that is, go around and look for properties that are empty in my neighborhood. And another thing, I also check I ask myself again, there are empty properties around, so how do I fill it, or how do I bring people who are looking for properties to rent to come and take some of these empty apartments? These are some of the questions that I ask myself. So these are some of the things that help me to make like 200 Ghana cedis a day, sometimes 300 Ghana cedis a day, let's say on an average. So guys, if you are someone who also wants to start earning something smaller, ask yourself, what do you have? Whatever you have, if it can help you work online, then you can start working on the internet. If it can help you work offline, then you can also start working on the offline space. If you go through some of my videos, you see that I've used my smartphone a lot. I recorded videos about writing article. All these things were things that I was doing, and then if you can check it out, you guys can go back and watch some of my old videos and see. So what I'm basically trying to say is that if you want to start earning 100 Ghana cedis all by yourself, then you have to look around and see what you actually have right now and see how you can use the thing. Sometimes it's difficult to know what you have and take it seriously. Now, I can boldly say on your behalf that you have a smartphone and then an internet connection on daily basis. If this is what you have, how can you use it? Most of you cannot create YouTube content, okay? Most of you cannot create content. But let me show you one thing you can do with your smartphone. You can use your smartphone to learn an online skill. You can use your smartphone to learn how to write article by typing on YouTube how to write articles. You can also use your smartphone to learn how to trade cryptocurrency by just typing how to trade cryptocurrency, and you see a lot of tutorials out there. You can also learn forex trading. These are the things that your smartphone can actually start doing for you little by little. Today you can see someone will be having a small boutique or a small barbering shop, but you see that the person is making a lot of money. It's because the person, anytime the person is there, is watching on his phone, okay, is learning how to be making some extra income. So even if the boutique is not giving him money, the internet or the smartphone can be getting him something. You can also take pictures of people's products and all that. These are some of the things that are available. So let me actually conclude with this, that you see, even if you don't have anything, like let's say you ask yourself, what do you have? You don't have anything, but you have a smartphone. Then what do other people have that you can actually sell for them? What do people have that you can sell for them? If they have something that you can sell for them, Charlie, that's another strategy. But you have to remember that people who have some things like money to start something, they go through a lot. So you have to accept that this is something that is going to take you a very long time before you start earning something. If you make up your mind like that, you will not be expecting quick money, so that even if you get 100 Ghana cedis today, then you go and put it into something to double it before you realize that 100 cedis is gone. Like how at first I've been doing to cryptocurrency. If I get like 500 Ghana cedis, crypto will take all. If I get 2,000 cedis, cryptocurrency will take all. So this will help you to start earning something small. So you take your time, then you learn a skill on how to trade cryptocurrency, learn how to record videos and edit it and post it on social media. This is the generation in which we are now. This time will come to pass and this opportunity might be gone. And if this opportunity is gone, maybe the one will come, no, it will be difficult for most people to adjust to it. I know I've talked a lot in this particular video, but I believe this is what you can do to start earning at least 100 Ghana cedis on daily basis.